Okay, so I'm gonna make a really cool engraved acrylic ornament. Um, and I went ahead and I created a shape. I just did a circle and changed it to white. And then the ornaments that I purchased are 3 inches. So I need to change this to, um, to something under 3. And I went ahead and just kind of made a small little hole where the ribbon would go through so I can kind of have a good template as to where to place everything. And then I just select this and I group it and I attached it. And then this is the image that I created that I'm going to put on the ornament. And you just drag it over. I'll do it on this one. And you just arrange it to the size that you want. And I forgot to tell you real quick because I already had this changed. This was a cut image. So here this is as a cut image. And then when I want to engrave it, you just click here and you click on engrave. And then the circle I set up as pen because I want to be able to use it on the mat as you know, like like a template, so I know where to put the image, and that with doing it as a pen, as it doesn't cut or do anything to damage the image when you're engraving it. Okay, so we'll adjust the size, and we're going to hit make it. Okay, so here, this is what I'm talking about as far as with this being a pen. This allows you to go ahead and drag this, you know, to where you want on the mat. So I like to put it 1, going, you know, it's below 1. And then I like to do it between the 3 and the 6. And then you can take your image and line it up here how you like. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I hit continue. Give me 1 second, I turn that off. Okay, so we're going to hit continue. And we're going to select acrylic. Just take 1 second. Okay, browse all material. Scroll down to acrylic. And then done. And then we're going to go ahead and load the mat. I'll show you how to do that. And then we're going to get the engraving started. I'm so excited. This is going to look... Okay, so here's the acrylic ornament. And it comes with plastic on both sides. So you have to peel off the layer. And we're just going to peel one side right now. And that'll be the side that we engrave. And you're going to want to place it, well, you place it wherever you want, but here I'm just showing you how to place it so you know it gets centered. I'm going to go on line 1 and I'm going to go in between 3 and 6. Okay, make sure that's up correctly. And then we're going to use painter's tape. And we're going to make sure that it's secure to the mat. You don't want it to start engraving and then the ornament moves around. Okay, and I'm going to do just a little bit more on the top because I've had it where it moved around and then it just damaged it. Okay, so see how it's on the mat? Okay, now we're going to go ahead and print. Okay, so I loaded the mat and I have in the engraving tool, which is the 41. And let's go ahead and start engraving. Okay, and now we're going to take the other plastic off on the other side. And then I used a lens wipe to clean off the debris from the engraving. And then I have this ribbon. It's a trim ribbon that I happen to have in red. So I just put this through the loop, and let's go ahead and knot it. And there you go. You have a really pretty ornament that you can give as a gift. Let's see if you can see the engraving. I don't know how the light is, if you can see it, but it's super cute. Super, super cute.